Welcome to ProfitSpeed, your ultimate destination for unlocking profitable trading secrets in cryptocurrencies, stocks, and Forex. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to receive daily updates. We offer valuable content and continuously develop new strategies that can work for you. Join us on this exciting journey to maximize your trading profits. And also, we are providing a link to our Telegram channel where you can receive daily updates. So let's not waste another moment and jump right into the video and start unlocking the secrets to successful trading with ProfitSpeed.
By the end of this video, you will be having an indicator for scalping which gains profits for you. So before knowing the indicator, you need to know what is scalping and the rules of scalping. Scalping is a short-term trading strategy where traders aim to profit from small price fluctuations within a brief period, typically minutes to seconds. Unlike other trading styles that focus on long-term trends, scalpers seek to take advantage of multiple opportunities throughout the trading day. The objective is to accumulate a series of small gains, keep in mind small gains, that collectively add up to significant profits. Alright, let's dive into building the indicator. To save time and keep the video concise, I'll fast forward the process and explain everything once it's done. So, let's get started. This line calculates the short-term EMA with a period of 5, and the second line calculates the long-term EMA with a period of 20. And this line calculates the difference between the short-term EMA and the long-term EMA. It is used to determine the trend direction. Next, this line calculates the relative strength index, RSI, with a period of 14. RSI is used to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. Next, these lines define the conditions for entering long, buy, and short, sell positions. Next, the buy condition is met when the EMA difference is positive and RSI is above 30. The sell condition is met when the EMA difference is negative and RSI is below 70. Next, these lines set the stop-loss percentage, 1%, and calculate the take-profit price as 2% above the current close price. Next, these lines plot green arrow shapes below the bars for buy signals and red arrow shapes above the bars for sell signals.
After implementing the script, see our indicator is working. See, we got a signal where we can buy a put signal. See, it went very deep.
Feel free to download the code from the link provided in the description. You can customize and make changes as per your preferences. Practice with it as much as you can before you implement it in real world.